How to backup and restore iPhone using iTunes. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you backup and restore iPhone using iTunes. You want to make sure to install the most recent version of your iTunes on your computer. Then you want to backup data on your iPhone. It contains sensitive information. Then you want to simply disable Find My Phone and switch off Wi-Fi to prevent iCloud auto sync. Now to restore, you want to connect your iPhone to your computer, launch iTunes and select your device. As you do it so, you want to navigate to Summary tab and click the Restore iPhone options. After which, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the restoration process. Clearly, visuals will complete this. And after which, restoring an iPhone from iTunes backup allow you to retrieve. So after connecting your iPhone to your computer and launching iTunes, select your device and go to Summary tab. As you are taken to the Summary tab, under the Backup section, choose Restore Backup and select the desired backup file. Then you want to click Restore and let iTunes handle the rest. And as you do it so, you'll have successfully restored it so. So you may also choose Restore Backup by right-clicking the device's name on the left side. It's same as you did in a previous step. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.